Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, March 15th, and yet again, we're going to take a look at another bond trade that played out beautifully. And this is the same setup we look for every morning. I tell people this all the time. I mean, I've done probably 5 or 6 videos here on YouTube about this setup and this trade and how it works. But we look for it to break out first thing in the morning between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Eastern on well-defined compression on a 30-minute price chart. It happens maybe once, maybe twice a week at the most. So here it is on 30-year bonds. This was this morning's trade. If you were in the trading room, worked out beautifully. We had the breakout at 145 and 26 30 seconds. Take off first half profit at 4 to 5 ticks. So our first target's 4 to 5 ticks. And then all we do is we start trailing stops by one price bar on a 30-minute price chart all the way up, and we get out of it at 7:30 seconds. We actually ended up closing this trade at 8:30 seconds on the way up because we had gotten extended and we're testing the upper end of this daily range here. But as a whole, great job to everybody that took the trade. Played out beautifully, just the way it was supposed to. Worked out exactly how this trade setup plays out. So keep an eye out for this. Again, it's on a 30-minute price chart. It happens between 6 and 9 a.m. Eastern typically. You want to see well-defined compression where you've been bouncing around sideways over the night session, and then break out of that compression, and that's when you enter your trade. But that's it for today. Hope it helps. Have a great weekend, everybody. Happy St. Patty's Day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that like button. That helps us out a lot with the YouTube algorithms. But that's it for today, and until next time, everyone, happy trading.